welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Simply Amazing. If you're new here, welcome. Take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And guys, I am hyped, I am geeked. Yo, well, first and foremost, before I go any further, this look is a recreation by KATIE Michel, I believe, or KATIE Michel. I believe it's KATIE because only Jamaicans would have said KATIE, but anyways. One thing about this look though, I did my face makeup before because when I watched her tutorial, she did her face makeup before. But as you can see, I kinda have most of the shadows along my nose, so and why she did it before, well, she typically do her face makeup before, but why she did it before, because it's girl, take a look, it's elongated, honey. I've never done something like this is my first time doing something like this, and I'm excited my eye because it come out cute, it come out not girl
the people.
Guys, I'm hyped. I'm going to try to attempt it on this eye now. This is the eye I am always out of focus on the camera and so forth, so I'm going to try my best we can get it as possible. And I do have an eyebrow tutorial. It's going to be the video before this one, so check out my eyebrow tutorial because you guys been asking for a brow tutorial. So now it's been a long ass intro, so now let's get into the look. And remember to follow me on Instagram. Yes ma'am, after I'm done this, I'm going to keep up a photo shoot. I'm going with a bag of something, so follow me on Instagram. The eye I decided saying it now cover today. After I just breeze through the eye here. What is this? You know, like when you just learn for color? What is this? The one appearance, well, Jamaican's parents always say don't count the eggs them before them hatch. Perfect example. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I put on some lashes, I put on some clear lip gloss, and I pulled out my braids. So guys, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. How you think I achieved this look? If you like this look, remember to give me a big thumbs up, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And until then, go and big up on yourself. I'm your girl, Simply Amazing.